Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn the most important Excel functions and formula from beginning to advanced level. We will cover mathematical functions, text functions, logical functions, date and time functions, and lookup functions. By the end of this video, you will be able to perform calculations, clean data, analyze reports, and use Excel more efficiently. Let's get started. Now we are learning mathematical functions. In that, first is sum. The sum is used to add all the numbers. Click on to the equal to sign, write sum, it will come here. Sum adds all the numbers in the range of cells. Double click on that, select first number. I want to add these two salary, so first select 25,000 first, comma, and select second 30,000 salary and close to the bracket, enter. It will show the these sum of these two salary. Now I want to add all employees salary, so select, write equal to sign, sum, double click on that, select first salary and drag this at the end of the salary, close to the bracket. Here E4 means each column fourth row and each column 11th row, like enter. Then it will show the sum of these all the salaries of employee. Like this we are going to average, click on to the equal sign, write average, it will come here, so double click on that. Now I want to see the average of sales, so select first row first, then go to the end of the column and close the bracket, enter. Now it will show the average of sales. Like this, now we want to count how many employees are in the company, so right click equal to sign, count, double click on that. Now select employee ID first, go to the last, then close to the bracket, enter. Now it will show 8 employees are in the company. Next is minimum. The minimum is, it returns the smallest number in the set of values. Double click on that. I want to see the minimum salary of the employee, then select this salary column, close to the bracket, enter. 25,000 is the minimum salary in this company. Next is maximum. Double click on it. It returns the largest value in the set of values. Double click on that and select the salary column, close to the bracket, enter. 40,000 means in this company 40,000 is the maximum salary which is current. Now is mode. The mode is equal to sign, mode, double click on that. It returns the remainder after number is divided by a divisor. For example, give any number like 10 and divisor is 3, close to the bracket, the remainder is 1. Like this we perform the mathematical function in Excel. Now we are learning text functions. Basically text functions are performed calculation on alphabets. The first one is concatenate. The concatenate combines the two columns into one, which means it joins the several text strings into one text string. So write the concatenate, select text 1. I want to combine name with their city, so I will select this name, comma, between two these name and city I want one hyphen, so the hyphen is written in double quotation. Here I will write the hyphen, comma. Now we give the text 3 which is city, close to the bracket, enter. Now it will show the name with their city. The next function is left function. The left function extract first name initials. Right equal to sign left, click on that. Text, first select the text. I will select Priya Patel text, comma, the number of characters. I want only Priya. So how many numbers are, how many characters? Priya is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write the 5, close to the bracket, enter. The text, how much characters the text has, that much we have to give the number. The next is write, double equal to sign, write. The write returns the specified number of characters from the end of the text string. In simple way, it extracts the last characters from email or any name, anything. Right? Text the select the text, which is I will select this one only, Priya Patel, comma. Now I want this Patel. So how many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 5. Again 5. Select 5. Close to the bracket. Enter. It will count the write function count end of the text. The next is upper function. Upper function converts all the text into uppercase. Select the upper. Select text. I will select this Amit Kumar. It will have A and K in uppercase, remaining letters in lowercase. So it will convert all these letters into uppercase. Close the bracket, enter. So it will convert all this into uppercase. Now we learn lowercase. The lowercase is, it converts all the letters into lowercase. Lower, double click on that. Select the text. It will select Amit Kumar. Close the bracket, enter. So it will convert all the text into lowercase. Next is find function. Find function find the position of character. For example, write find text. Which text we want to find. So I will write capital K. We have to write in a double quotation. You can write the same formula in formula box. Okay, it will become easy. Which within a text means from which text we are finding, which is Amit Kumar. Close to the bracket, enter. So 6 means the K letter has 6th position in this text. The next is replace. Replace function replace part of text. Write the equal to sign, select replace. The old text is, now I want to change Pooja Verma with Pooja Sharma. So select old text Pooja Verma, comma, start somewhere to we are replacing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And number of characters which have 5. Now select the new text which is I want to write Sharma. Okay, sorry. It will convert the Pooja Verma with Pooja Sharma. The next function is trim function. Trim function removes extra space. For example, write equal to sign trim. Select this text. Why we select this text? Because before Rahul it has some space and after Sharma it has some space. So trim function removes this 2 space. Close to the bracket, enter. So this will remove all extra space in this text. The next is length function. The length function is used to count the total characters. Length, select the text. Here I will select this Hyderabad. Close to the, sorry. So 9. The length of Hyderabad is 9. The next is proper function. Proper function is used to capitalize first letter of each word. Equal to sign. Proper. Select the text. This one I will select because all the letters are in lowercase, so it will convert in proper way. Now it will convert proper way, which is first letter is in capital, all remaining all letters in small. So these are the text functions.